In this video, we listed the 5 best foldable phones for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, OnePlus Open. The OnePlus Open is a premium Android smartphone designed for high performance and productivity, featuring a 16GB RAM and 512GB storage configuration, making it ideal for multitasking and storage-heavy applications. It comes in a Voyager black finish, providing a sleek, professional look, and is US factory unlocked for flexible carrier compatibility. The OnePlus Open is powered by a 4805 mAh battery with 67W fast charging, enabling quick recharges for long-lasting use. Its 120Hz fluid display ensures smooth visuals and a responsive experience, which, combined with the Hasselblad camera system, delivers high-quality photography with advanced imaging capabilities. This smartphone supports dual SIM functionality, perfect for users managing personal and work contacts on the same device. Product 2. Product name, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is Samsung's latest addition to the foldable smartphone lineup, combining innovative AI-driven functionality with high-end hardware and a unique form factor. Designed as an unlocked Android smartphone with a substantial 512GB of storage, it caters to users seeking both performance and versatility. The Z Fold 6 boasts Samsung's iconic large, foldable display, which provides an immersive experience for multitasking, gaming, and media consumption, ideal for productivity-focused users or tech enthusiasts who desire a tablet-sized screen that fits in their pocket. A key feature of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is its integrated AI capabilities, such as Circle to Search, a hands-free feature that allows users to quickly search the web and access information with a simple gesture. The hands-free live interpreter feature supports real-time translations, enhancing communication across languages, whether traveling or in daily interactions. Additionally, AI photo editing tools simplify the photo editing process, automatically adjusting images for enhanced quality and aesthetic appeal. Product 3. Product name, Google Pixel Fold. The Google Pixel Fold is Google's flagship foldable Android smartphone that combines cutting-edge technology with the familiar Pixel experience. As an unlocked device, it supports various carriers, allowing flexible network options, including 5G connectivity for high-speed performance. With a foldable display, the Pixel Fold offers the best of both a large screen and portability, providing an expanded tablet-like interface when unfolded and a compact design when closed. Equipped with dual advanced camera lenses, a telephoto lens and an ultra-wide lens, the Pixel Fold captures high-quality, detailed photos, catering to a wide range of photography needs, from distant subjects to expansive landscapes. The device is built with a 24-hour battery life, ensuring long-lasting use on a single charge, suitable for both intensive daily tasks and extended usage without frequent recharging. The 256GB storage capacity offers ample space for apps, photos, videos, and files, and its obsidian color gives it a sleek, stylish finish. Product 4. Product name, Motorola Razr Plus. The Motorola Razr Plus 2023 is a premium, unlocked smartphone designed for users seeking a unique blend of nostalgic design and modern functionality. With dimensions of 73.95 by 170.83 by 6.99 mm, it's sleek and compact, featuring the iconic foldable design the Razr series is known for. This device is compatible with major US carriers, making it a versatile choice for users who prioritize flexibility. Key features include an impressive 32MP camera for high-resolution photos, which rivals the clarity and performance seen in many flagship smartphones. The Razr Plus offers ample storage with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and plenty of space for media, apps, and files. Available in a stylish blue color, it brings a distinctive aesthetic to the foldable phone market. This model appeals to those who appreciate innovative technology, a nostalgic design, and high-end performance all in one device. Product 5. Product name: Blackview Hero 10 Foldable Phone. The Blackview Hero 10 foldable phone is an advanced foldable device designed for users seeking both performance and convenience. With a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display, it provides a crisp and immersive visual experience, ideal for multitasking and media consumption. The phone's 36GB RAM, including extended memory, and 256GB storage allow for smooth operation, handling multiple apps, and storing ample data and media. Equipped with a 108MP rear camera, the Hero 10 promises high-quality photography, capturing detailed images and videos. Its octa-core MTK Helio G99 processor ensures reliable performance, while the 45W fast charging keeps the device powered efficiently. Weighing 198g, the phone balances its build and portability well. Additional features include NFC for contactless payments and fingerprint ID for secure access, making it a versatile choice among unlocked, high-capacity foldable Android devices. Product 6. Product name: Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G is a groundbreaking smartphone tablet hybrid that features a foldable dual-screen design, offering a truly immersive two-in-one experience. This US version, factory-unlocked device in Phantom Black, delivers a premium display experience with an under-display camera, enhancing the seamless, full-screen view when unfolded. Its 7.6-inch main display is ideal for productivity tasks, multitasking, and entertainment, while the cover screen provides easy access to essential tasks without needing to unfold the device. Equipped with 512GB of storage, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 allows ample space for large files, apps, and media, aligning with user needs for multitasking and large-scale content management. Its 5G connectivity ensures fast speeds and smooth performance, especially useful for users who demand speed and reliability for both personal and professional tasks. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is also S Pen compatible, which adds to its versatility for note-taking, drawing, or fine-tuned control. The design is ruggedized with IPX8 water resistance, a durable hinge, and Gorilla Glass Victus protection, enhancing its longevity and making it suitable for on-the-go lifestyles. Product 7. Product name: Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold is an innovative, unlocked Android smartphone that brings advanced features and cutting-edge design to the Pixel lineup. Powered by the Gemini processor, this foldable device combines high performance with flexibility, ideal for users looking to multitask or consume media in a more immersive way. The foldable display is designed to provide a seamless transition between a compact smartphone and a larger screen experience, allowing for hands-free video, split-screen multitasking, and enhanced productivity. With a 512GB storage option, users have ample space for apps, photos, and videos. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's advanced triple rear camera system enables high-quality photography, capturing fine details and vibrant colors in any light. The camera also integrates Google's computational photography enhancements, which make it ideal for creators and enthusiasts alike.